dear student, welcome to your maths class. Today we are here with new topic, chapter number 9, which is related to linear equation in one variable. Linear equation means which have degree of 1, and one variable means only one variable is there and one term xy is here, only not a b c, three terms will be there. Here will be only y, or here is only x. These type of statements are called linear equation in one variable. So in this chapter we will read how to solve this type of equation. How can we find out the value of variable? Okay, first question is that solve 9 1 by 4 y minus 1 1 by 3. So firstly, here is mixed fraction. We will change it into simple fraction. So what we will do? We will multiply this and plus this term. 9 4s are 36 and 1 37 by 4 is equal to y. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4 by 3. Okay, now if I need the value of this term, so it must be on one side and other terms will be on other side. So here is minus 4 by 3. When it goes on this side, it will become plus 4 by 3. Here is already firstly 37 by 4. When this comes on this side, it will become plus 4 by 3 is equal to 1. In two ways you can do the addition. You can do LCM and you can do also butterfly way, as I already told you. 13 into 3, 1, 1, 1. 4 into 4, 16. And downward side multiplication of this. 4 3s are 12 is equal to 1. Now, value of 111 plus 16 is 127. So, this implies y is equal to 127 by 12. This is my answer. I have found the value of y. Okay. When something on this side goes on this side, it changes its sign. It as minus changes to plus and plus changes to minus, division changes to multiplication and multiplication changes to division. Okay, same next question I am solving for you. Here is x by 2 plus x by 3 plus x by 4 is equal to 13. So if I apply butterfly way, because I have to add these terms, add and subtract, we are using butterfly way. But if we want to add this, it will be lengthy by butterfly way. So I will take LCM. LCM of 2, 3 and 4. Firstly goes on 2 table. 1, 3, 4 comes at 2. Again 2, 3 and 2 comes at 1. And 3 table, there is here. So 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. 12 is LCM. Now what we have to do? We want the denominator 12. I am changing it x by 2. I want 12 here. On 2 table 12 comes at 6. So I have written 6 plus x by 3. On 3 table 12 comes at 4. 3 4s are 12. Okay, same as x by 4. 12 comes at 4. 3s are 12. So here is 3. I have multiplied denominator and numerator with the same number. This is the condition. If we want same denominator, we have to multiply with the same number on denominator and numerator. Okay, now downward side here is 12. So I am writing 12 together. Okay, now first is x into 6, 6x, 4 into x, 4x, 3 into x, 3x is equal to 13. Now they all are like term, 6x, 4x and 3, all are having x. So 6 plus 4 plus 3 is 13x. 13x by 12 is equal to 13. I already told that when there is something, it changes its sign. So here is a multiplication of 13 by 12 with x. Here is a multiplication, because no sign is there, it means 13 by 12 is multiplied by x. When it goes on this side, it becomes a division or it becomes reciprocal. And here is 13 by 12, it goes reciprocal in that term. So 13 cancel with 13, x is equal to 12 is my answer. Okay. Next question is 6th question. The statement is here. X minus 2 and bracket x minus 3. It means there are two brackets. No sign is there. It means there is sign of multiplication. Here is no sign, it means multiplication. Here is 2x multiply 2x plus 1 with bracket. So firstly we will do multiplication. Okay. Now x multiply by this both term. Firstly multiply x by x, then x by 3. X multiply x is x square. Next sign is minus. X multiply 3 is 3x. Okay. Now 2 multiply x minus 2x. Minus minus, because the both sign are here. Minus minus is plus. 3 2s are 6. This is way of multiplication. Next is plus. Now we will multiply this with this one. multiply x with x is x square, x with 2 minus 2x, 3 with multiply x minus 3x, and minus minus plus 3 2s are 6. Okay, now next is 2x multiply x, 2x square. When there is minus outside, because here is plus, no sign changed, but here is minus with 2, so it will become minus plus minus 2x is equal to 0. Now combine the like terms. Here is 1x square, 1x square and minus 2x square. 1 plus 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. So I can cut these 3. Okay, now next is minus 3x minus 2x, and here is also minus 2x minus 3x, plus 6 and plus 6 plus the 12, and here is minus 2x is equal to 0. Now combine like terms. 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 3 10 and 2 12, because all are of minus. Minus 12x is plus 12 is equal to 0. Now I need the value of x. This 12 goes on this side, it will become negative. So minus 12x is equal to, this goes on this side, become minus 12. 0 minus 12 is minus 12. Okay. Now there is a sign of multiplication, because 12 multiplied by x, no sign is here, it means multiplication. So x is, there is multiplication, it goes for division on this side, so goes for division. Minus 12 same number, so x value is 1. In this way you can solve all the question, but if you have any problem you can discuss with me. Thank you and have a nice day.